Welcome to İşqi Schools, where learning, innovations, and growth happen every day. Experience a day at Sōrān İşqi Schools with us. Good morning. I love starting my day here. Let me show you around.
When I need some quiet time, the library is the perfect place to read and explore our new ideas.
Our lessons are fun and interactive. We use smart boards, group activities, and even projects to learn better.
Activity is important too. We have art and music classes where we express ourselves.
In our guidance lesson, we learn how to communicate better and support each other and grow our individuals. It helps us become more confident and prepare for the future.
This is our science lab. We don't just read about experiments, we do them ourselves.
Welcome! Our English class helps us become confident speakers. We discuss, debate, and even act out stories. After classes, we stay active sports, keep us fit, and help us learn teamwork.
Sōrān İşqi School, we learn, grow, and have fun every day. Join us and be part of something amazing.